Welcome to a new Checkbuster tutorial. Today I will show you how to transfer your Checkbuster Classic data to Checkbuster NXT. First, you want to make sure you synchronize all your Checkbuster Classic data on all your mobile devices. You can do this by going to the menu in the Classic app and clicking on Synchronize. Items that will be transferred are templates, locations, and team members. Templates that haven't been used in an inspection will not be transferred, so make sure you finish at least one inspection per template that you want to have transferred. No need to answer the questions, you can just finish the inspection. Alright, now go to the Checkbuster website and after entering Classic, go to Settings. Here you will find an API key. Go to the Checkbuster NXT app and sign in. Go to the settings again. Here you can paste the API key from Classic app and transfer your data to the new app. And now you successfully transferred your data from our Classic app to our new Checkbuster NXT app. Checkbuster, inspect and report, share and improve.